Enabling two-factor authentication on your standard chartered account adds an extra layer of security. Follow these steps to set it up quickly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Standard Chartered website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to log into your account. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. In the Security Settings menu, locate the option for two-factor authentication or 2FA. Click on it to begin the setup process. Step 4. Choose your authentication method. You will be prompted to select your preferred method for receiving the second factor, such as SMS, email, or an authenticator app. Choose the one that suits you best. Step 5. Confirm and activate. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your chosen method. Once confirmed, save the changes to activate two-factor authentication on your account. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Standard Chartered account with two-factor authentication. Always remember to keep your authentication method secure.